My family has been crafting fine sheepskin slippers in our Glastonbury factory for over 85 years. Our company now spans 4 generations, mastering an age-old traditional craft. Our timeless British designs are popular with customers all over the world, from Europe to America, Canada and Australia too. Our range is subtly updated each year to reflect fashion changes, but stays true to our heritage. We are committed to using all natural materials, and our slippers are sustainably produced in England. We source our plush sheepskins and rich leather as a byproduct to the food industry, ensuring no material goes to waste. From our workshop to your feet, bringing warmth and comfort to every step. That's our legacy.